Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook whiting fish. First, let's get our fish ready. Begin by cleaning your whiting thoroughly under cool water and patting it completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy skin. Next, season both sides generously with your favorite blend of spices. A simple mix of salt, black pepper, and a pinch of paprika works wonderfully. For an extra crispy finish, you might want to lightly dredge the fish in seasoned all-purpose flour. One of the most popular and delicious ways to cook whiting is pan frying. Heat about 2 tablespoons of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned or floured whiting into the hot oil. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it develops a beautiful golden brown crust and flakes easily with a fork. The internal temperature should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. If you're looking for a lighter alternative, baking whiting is an excellent choice. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a baking sheet or line it with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Arrange your seasoned whiting fillets in a single layer on the sheet. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the thickness of your fish. The fish is done when it's opaque throughout and flakes easily. This method keeps the fish moist and tender. Once your whiting is perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top enhances its natural flavors beautifully. For a complete meal, consider serving it alongside a crisp green salad, some steamed asparagus, or fluffy white rice. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or cilantro not only adds a pop of color, but also a burst of fresh aroma. Whiting is a versatile fish that pairs well with many sides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.